Are you afraid of the dark? Are you afraid of the dark? No, not really. No, not really. Do you believe in God? Do you believe in God? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Can you drive a car? Can you drive a car? No, I can't. No, I can't. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it. Are you hungry now? Are you hungry now? No, I just ate. No, I just ate. Do you watch movies? Do you watch movies? Yes, almost every day. Yes, almost every day. Can you cook? Can you cook? Yes, a little bit. Yes, a little bit. Do you like your job? Do you like your job? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Are you tired? Are you tired? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. Do you read books? Do you read books? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. Are you busy today? Are you busy today? No, I am free. No, I am free. Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? No, I don't. No, I don't. Can you help me? Can you help me? Sure, why not? Sure, why not? Do you play games? Do you play games? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like music? Do you like music? Yes, very much. Yes, very much. Can you swim? Can you swim? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Do you exercise regularly? Do you exercise regularly? Yes, every morning. Yes, every morning. Are you feeling sick? Are you feeling sick? No, I am fine. No, I am fine. Do you eat fast food? Do you eat fast food? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. Do you have a bike? Do you have a bike? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Are you going out today? Are you going out today? No, I will stay home. No, I will stay home. Do you like winter? Do you like winter? Yes, I like cold weather. Yes, I like cold weather. Do you have a brother? Do you have a brother? Yes, I have one. Yes, I have one. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Yes, very sleepy. Yes, very sleepy. Do you drink tea every day? Do you drink tea every day? Yes, every morning. Yes, every morning. Do you watch the news? Do you watch the news? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. Do you use Facebook? Do you use Facebook? Yes, every day. Yes, every day. Are you at home now? Are you at home now? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it. Can you dance? Can you dance? No, I can't dance. No, I can't dance. Are you married? Are you married? No, I am not. No, I am not. Do you like your school? Do you like your school? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you understand? Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Yes, I understand. Do you like dancing? Do you like dancing? A little bit. A little bit. What do you do at work? What do you do at work? I manage customer service. I manage customer service. What's your dream job? What's your dream job? To be a business owner. To be a business owner. What's your favorite place? What's your favorite place? Cox's Bazar. Cox's Bazar. Do you take photos when you travel? Do you take photos when you travel? Yes, lots. Yes, lots. Do you like adventure travel? Do you like adventure travel? Yes, very much. Yes, very much. What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? I listen to music. I listen to music. Do you play sports? Do you play sports? Yes, football. Yes, football. What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? Titanic. Titanic. Do you use social media? Do you use social media? Yes, Facebook and Instagram. Yes, Facebook and Instagram. Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. Do you like gardening? Do you like gardening? Yes, it's relaxing. Yes, it's relaxing. Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Yes, one brother and one sister. Yes, one brother and one sister. What does your father do? What does your father do? He is a businessman. He is a businessman. Do you live with your parents? Do you live with your parents? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? My best friend is Donald Trump. My best friend is Donald Trump.